Okay, so you got into K-pop and you did a lot from memorizing names to lyrics to making edits. So now you want to get into dancing and learning choreographies. But you see a dance practice video and you're overwhelmed, like it's just too fast and hard. So this video is for you. First of all, choose a song. Make sure you like the rhythm, the beats, and the choreography. Why I'm saying this is because when you like something, you will be more motivated and interested to do it. Next, watch mirrored videos. So, what are mirrored videos? They're basically like flipped horizontally. So, when the idols are doing their right side, you'll be doing the same. You get it, right? One of my favorite YouTuber who does this kind of videos is Black Cat, and then watch dance tutorials. So they explain it and they also have like flowed versions. You can also get this in YouTube from Kathleen Karm, Leah, Lisa Lee, and many more creators. So, lastly, tips. So, the most important parts of your dance are facial expressions, clarity of your moves, practice, and confidence. Facial expressions will show if you have confidence, and practicing in the right way gives you clarity. So that's all for this video, and like if this helped in any way, and tell me in the comments how I can improve, I guess, my voice and yeah, editing. And what would you should I do next? Stay hydrated and bye bye.